My favorite MaintainX feature is the AI, because in the procedure, you'd have to go in and build it block by block by block, doing it manually. With this, with the AI, it already puts all of that structure in there for you to just go in and just change a few things, adjust a few words, and then save it.
MaintainX was selected largely in a partnership at UFP between the IT department and our manufacturing teams. Some of the non-negotiables for us were things like SSO, right? How users log in. One, making sure it was seamless for users and in a way that they're familiar with, while maintaining a level of security that IT wants to endorse. The second was a way for us to have global reporting. We're 200 facilities, and we wanted to look at it holistically across the enterprise, how we're doing maintenance, not just at one plant at a time. And so MaintainX's global reporting and global dashboards were a no-brainer.